In this video, we are going to see the best DNS server for gaming, and I'm going to show you how you can change your default DNS to the gaming server that provides you much better gaming experience in Windows 11. So what you need to do is just head over to the start menu and right here settings. Once we are in the settings, click on network and internet. And from here, whatever connection you have, in this case, I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'll click on that. And from here, whatever Wi-Fi you are connected to, you will choose that. And now you'll scroll down to the DNS server assignment. And here you can either see the DNS server assignment option, or in this case, I'm seeing this message, the DNS settings for the Wi-Fi networks have been set. The settings below won't be used. So we click on change DNS settings for all Wi-Fi networks. And here we can see the DNS server assignment. Click on edit. Because I've already added a manual one, if you're set to automatic, let me just set it first. You will see this option DNS server assignment directly in the network and internet. Click on edit. You will set it to manual. And we will enable the IPv4. Now the DNS that I will recommend is the Google public DNS. That is very smooth to run on. So we can use either Google DNS or Cloudflare. Both of them works good. For Cloudflare, we will use 1.1.1.1. And for the second one, we will use 1.0.0.1. Now, if that works perfectly fine for you, that's good. This is for the Cloudflare. But otherwise, if not, you can use the other ones, that is Google public DNS. By the way, guys, you can also take the support of ChatGPT. It will just mention or write the DNS addresses directly for you. So the Google DNS is 8.8.8.8 in the preferred DNS. And in the alternate one, we will just write 8.8.4.4. So let's actually check it on ChatGPT as well. If you write down here write down Google and Cloudflare DNS settings, it will show you the same. As you can see, the Google public DNS is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. However, for Cloudflare DNS, it's this one right here. You can also set IPv6, but that is optional. So after that, just save this. And you have now updated your DNS. Close everything, restart your computer if you want to, and just try playing the game that you were playing earlier, and hopefully it will give you a much better experience. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.